Hi kindergarten students and families, here we are on day 2 of math. We're going to be again exploring attributes of shapes, and today we're going to do something really fun. You're going to need some materials for this, and in a moment I'll tell you what those are. Okay parents, this is going to be an interactive video and you're going to need some materials. I would suggest toothpicks and marshmallows. That's what I'm going to use. However, there's all kinds of things you can use. You can use straws and gummy bears. You can go outside and simply find sticks. You can use peanut butter. That gets a little messy. However, if that's what you have, anything that will stick things together. And if you're not able to have something to stick things together, as I mentioned, go outside and find some sticks. We're going to make these shapes. My students love to make these. Are you ready? Okay, kindergarten, we're going to start making shapes. I'm going to use toothpicks. How many sides do we need for a triangle? That's right. We need 3 sides to make a triangle. I have some really sticky marshmallows. So we're going to use these really sticky marshmallows to stick our toothpicks together. Okay, ready? Watch. And of course, the fun thing is, when you're done, you can eat the marshmallows, right? Or maybe not. Ask your mom and dad. Okay, so I'm going to take this toothpick and I'm going to put a marshmallow here so that I can take another toothpick and stick the sharp side of the toothpick in the marshmallow. So it looks like this. Now sometimes the toothpicks will move a little. That's okay. All right, so how many sides do I have now? Yes, you're right. I have 1 side of my triangle. So now what I need to do is add some more of that sticky marshmallow. Okay, here we go. Now what do? Yes, add 1 more side. Take the sharp part of the toothpick and put it in. Be careful, don't poke yourself. Now what? Yes, that's right. Got to have something to stick it together. Another blob of marshmallow. All right, here we go. Another toothpick. Okay, now let's count this together. How many sides do we have? 1, 2. We have 2 sides so far. How many do we need for a triangle? What? I'm not done. I need 3. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. Got lots of sticky marshmallow again. All right, here we go. Stuck it together. Ooh, now I have to think, how am I going to make this go together? I know. How about if I take a piece of marshmallow and I connect it to this? Okay, now we got to kind of shape our triangle. Sometimes it kind of falls apart. That doesn't look like a triangle, does it? Okay, so let's experiment. Let's take off one of these and put it in the marshmallow. There. Does that look more like marshmallow triangle? Yes, it does. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3 sides. So remember, like we talked about yesterday, triangles have 3 sides. Okay, you got it? Okay, so now let's try and make a square. When we're done with this, your family is going to help you make a rectangle, a hexagon, which has 5 sides, and the trickiest one of all, see if you can figure out what in your house you can use to make a circle because it doesn't have any sides. So a square is going to be very easy, right? A toothpick and a marshmallow. Another toothpick. What do we need here? Yes, you're right, a marshmallow. You can make these as big as you want. I'm just making a small one just to show you. Another toothpick. Okay, now let's see if we have a square. 1, 2, 3 sides. Is that a square? No. Silly Mrs. Oder, we have to do another side. Squares have 4 sides, just like rectangles. All right, there's my marshmallow. And here's my toothpick. All right, what do we call this? That's right, we call it a square. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides makes a square. Now when you and your family make the shapes, make sure your rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Otherwise, it'll look like a square. And remember, when you do your circle, no sides, and we have to make it round. Ooh, I wonder if you could do that with toothpicks. That would be a challenge. Parents, have fun with this, and I will see you on day 3.